Hi, welcome to this screencast which outlines the new Phalcon Debug component in your application, brought to you by the Phalcon team. So what's going on here is I've loaded locally the forum. It's a little bit of an older cut of the database, and you can see here I'm navigating, clicking on a topic, again another discussion. Let me pick up a category, another category, and so on and so forth. So I want to simulate an error. So what I'm going to do is I'm opening the discussions controller, and here in the prepare queries function I'm going to simulate an error by just passing some parameters in the create builder. Okay, so now let me try and search for something. Let's say the word hello. Now the error occurred. Okay, this is informative, but it's not really what we want to do. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make use of the Phalcon Debug component. So we're picking up the index.php, where it's the entry point of our application, Phalcon Debug, and I'm gonna add the listen, so the listener. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna refresh the page, and you see a far better interface showing you exactly what's going on and the error. You see where the error occurred. Oops. And if you click on that, it will take you to the latest documentation about the Phalcon MSC Model Manager. All these are hyperlinked and linked to our documentation, kind of like an easy way of showing you what happened. All these traces are specifically designed to help you find where the error occurred. We also have the request parameters, we have the server parameters, what's been running, what's been going on, how many files were included. Very helpful if you have a large project, and the memory consumption. Okay. So also in the backtrace tab, you're gonna see that this particular, especially this first part, is actually a scrolling window. It loaded the file and it highlighted the area where this thing happened, where this error happened. So it allows you to have a more thorough view of what is going on in your application. Also, top right, you're going to see the 1.2.0, and if you click on it, you're going to go to the latest documentation for 1.2.0, because Phalcon Debug is available from 1.2.0 onwards. So we hope that you like this component, and if you have any questions or suggestions or comments, visit us on our forum, Stack Overflow, GitHub, or our IRC channel. Take care.